When was the last time you received a genuine compliment on your outfit? Not from family being polite, but from a stranger who couldn't help but notice you. Have you ever looked at your reflection before leaving the house and thought, "This is fine, I guess," instead of, "Wow, I look incredible"? And be real with yourself right now. Have you accepted fine as good enough when what you really crave is to feel stunning? Here's the truth nobody tells you. Looking stunning isn't about perfect features or expensive clothes. It's about color. Specifically, it's about combining three colors in a way that creates visual harmony, draws attention to your face, and makes your entire presence magnetic. I call it the three-color code, and once you understand it, you'll unlock a level of style you didn't know was possible. People will look twice. Strangers will compliment you. And you'll finally feel like the stunning woman you've always been inside. Let me show you exactly how it works. Welcome back, gorgeous. If you're new here, you just found your secret style weapon. This three-color code is what stylists, editors, and celebrities use constantly. Today, I'm handing it to you. Simple, powerful, life-changing. If you want more secrets like this, subscribe and tap the bell. Now, let's break down the code. Color code 1. The base color, 60%. Let's start with the foundation of every head-turning outfit, your base color. The base color makes up approximately 60% of your outfit. This is your largest visual area, typically your dress, your trousers and top combination, or your coat. It's the canvas everything else builds upon. Why does this matter? Because your base color sets the entire tone. It determines whether your outfit reads as sophisticated or chaotic, expensive or cheap, intentional or thrown together. Get this foundation wrong, and no amount of beautiful accessories will save you. Get it right, and you've already done most of the heavy lifting. Think of it like painting a masterpiece. Every great artist starts with a clean, neutral canvas. They don't begin with a loud, distracting background. Your base color works the same way. It creates the visual space for everything else to shine. What works best? Neutral base colors create the most elegant foundation. Think black, navy, white, cream, gray, camel, or burgundy. These colors are timeless, versatile, and allow your other two colors to shine without competition. They read as expensive because luxury brands understand this principle instinctively. The mistake most women make, choosing a loud, busy, or trendy color as their base. This overwhelms the eye and leaves nowhere for the outfit to go. Your base should anchor, not compete. When your foundation screams for attention, your secondary and accent colors have nothing to add. The conversation is already over before it began. When your base color is solid, everything else falls into place. This is where QuietLuxury begins. Master this, and you're already ahead of most women who never consider their foundation at all. Color code 2. The secondary color, 30%. Now we add dimension. The secondary color. Your secondary color makes up approximately 30% of your outfit. This is your supporting player, a blazer, cardigan, skirt, trousers, or substantial accessory like a handbag. It complements your base without overpowering it. This color creates visual interest and depth. It's what takes your outfit from simple to styled. Without it, you're wearing one color, which can look flat and one-dimensional. With the wrong one, you create visual chaos that unsettles the eye. With the right one, you create harmony that makes people lean in. Think of your base and secondary colors as a conversation. They should flow naturally, each one enhancing what the other brings. When these two colors have a relationship, whether tonal or contrasting, your outfit tells a cohesive story. What works best? Choose a secondary color that either tones with your base or creates intentional contrast. Navy base with cream secondary. Black base with camel secondary. Gray base with soft pink secondary. The relationship between these two colors should feel effortless, like they belong together, like they were always meant to meet. The mistake most women make: choosing a secondary color that fights the base. Two bold colors competing creates tension. The eye doesn't know where to rest. Two random colors create confusion. The outfit feels accidental rather than intentional. Your secondary should enhance, not battle. It should support your base like a best friend, present, helpful, but never stealing the spotlight. This is where your outfit starts to come alive. Base sets the stage. Secondary builds the story. Now we need the moment that makes people stop and stare. Color code 3. The accent color, 10%. And finally, the magic. The accent color. This is the color I promised would change everything. Your accent color makes up only 10% of your outfit, but it does 90% of the work in making people look twice. This tiny percentage carries enormous power. The accent is your strategic pop. A silk scarf, statement earrings, a bold lip, a colorful shoe, a beautiful handbag clasp, a striking brooch. It's small, intentional, and powerful. It's the detail that catches the eye and elevates everything around it. It's the reason someone stops mid-conversation to compliment you. Why is this so transformative? Because the accent creates a focal point. It tells the eye exactly where to look. Without an accent, an outfit can be perfectly nice, but entirely forgettable. With the right accent placed strategically, you become magnetic. When placed near your face, a scarf, earrings, lipstick, it draws attention upward and makes your entire presence impossible to ignore. What works best? Your accent can be bold or subtle depending on your style. A red lip with navy and cream. Gold jewelry with black and camel. A burgundy bag with gray and white. An emerald scarf with cream and beige. The accent should feel like the finishing signature, the exclamation point on your outfit. The period at the end of a perfect sentence. The mistake most women make, either skipping the accent entirely, leaving outfits flat and forgettable, or overdoing it with too many accent colors that scatter the eye and create chaos. One accent color. Placed strategically. Repeated intentionally if desired. That's the code. That's the secret. This 10% is why people look twice. It's not about volume. It's about precision. It's not about more color. It's about the right color in the right place. Small but mighty. Subtle but unforgettable. And there it is, gorgeous. The 3-color code that makes people look twice. 60% base color, your anchor. 30% secondary color, your depth. 10% accent color, your magic. 3 colors. 1 formula. Infinite possibilities. But this isn't just about looking good. This is about being seen. Walking into rooms and having people notice you. Not because you're loud, but because something about you is magnetically put together. Imagine no more second-guessing in front of the mirror. No more feeling invisible. No more settling for fine when you could feel stunning. That reality is available to you right now. With the clothes already in your closet. With this simple code. Here's what happens when you use it. First, you notice the difference. Outfits look intentional, expensive, cohesive. Then others start noticing compliments from colleagues, friends, even strangers. And then something deeper shifts. You stop dreading getting dressed and start enjoying it. Because you have a formula. You're not guessing anymore. That confidence changes everything. How you walk, how you speak, how you carry yourself. When you know you look good, you show up differently. All from 3 colors. Go to your closet today. Pull out a neutral base. Add a complementary secondary. Finish with 1 strategic accent. Lay them together. See the story they create. That's the code in action. Once you train your eye to see in 3s, you'll never unsee it. You'll spot it on stylish women everywhere. And now you can be the woman who makes people look twice. Go make it happen, gorgeous. If this video changed how you see your wardrobe, hit that like button right now. That simple tap helps this video reach more women who deserve to feel stunning instead of settling for fine. Subscribe and tap the notification bell if you haven't already. I share styling secrets like this every week, strategies that actually work, explained simply. Now drop a comment and tell me, what's your go-to base color? Black? Navy? Cream? And what accent color makes you feel most confident? I read every comment and love hearing what works for you. Share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Someone who's been struggling to put outfits together. Someone who deserves to be seen and complimented. Let's spread the code. Thanks for watching until the end. Gorgeous. You now have the formula. 3 colors. 60-30-10. Magic. Go use it. I believe in you. See you in the next one. Bye for now, beautiful.